So, it's been a while. Okay, I have a perfectly good reason why I didn't upload any videos for the past couple of weeks. I had an exam. It's hard to be a good student slash being a tech reviewer. I hope I am a good student. I hope. So, we're not gonna talk about how good a student I am. I'm gonna talk about this interesting product that is in my hand. This is the Lenovo LP12. Lenovo does earbuds. I know, right? It's pretty strange. And by the looks of the specs, this is a really underrated product, and I want to make a review about it and an unboxing. So yeah, welcome back to Channel Tech with Nikthesh, guys, and it's your host Nikthesh. What's so special about this Lenovo LP12? That's a long name. Well, it uses a touch-sensitive controller on the earbuds, so you guys can change the songs by just tapping on the earbuds itself, not pressing some kind of button. And I heard this audio quality is really good, especially for a 6mm drivers into it. As I told you guys, driver size doesn't matter, it's about the quality onto it. And it does have a good battery life by having a 300 milliamp hour charging case built into it. And they told us that they do have good enough microphones built into these earbuds. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna take a listen into 1-2 songs, and I want to give my thoughts and a review about it. So yeah, this is the packaging itself. Not so promising because it looks a bit too cheap, except for this baggage of extra ear tips. It looks nice, it looks tiny and neat, and this is the instruction manuals itself. And they have two words, and they have two languages. One is Chinese because Lenovo is a Chinese company, and in English itself for us technically. So yeah, let's talk you to the specs real quick. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, not 5.1, not the latest and greatest, but still, it's still the latest. Working range up to 10 meters. Speaker size 6mm. Mic type silicone microphone. Pretty interesting choices of words. Speaker power 20 milliwatt onto earbuds each other. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Playing time approximately 3 hours. Earphone battery itself is only 40 milliamp hours, and the charging case battery is 300 milliamp hours. And yeah, and they do have some kind of label on the box. In the box they include the earphones itself, the charging case, USB Type-C, which is a really good thing to have in your earbud, because most of the cheap earphones that I took a review on, it does use a micro USB, which is not really good. But using Type-C gives a huge difference, guys. And a manual, and they didn't mention about this extra baggage of goodies. And they do have QC Pass, Certificate of Quality Inspector. So wow, so that's all about the manual itself. I'll still read this manual. So that's about the manual itself. Let's get into the unboxing real quick. This is the charging case, and I've been teasing these earbuds for a while right now in my Instagram. By the way, link in the description down below. And many people thought these earbuds is really expensive by the looks of the case. It's not that expensive because it's only 50 ringgit. 50 ringgit, and for 50 ringgit we're getting a lot of value. I mean a lot of value. Type-C, passive noise cancellation, premium quality, especially the hinge, man. So satisfying. And the looks itself, it looks really good. And the earphones itself, by the looks of the packaging, they took the Lenovo, both sides are the same size. While you're wearing on one side will be an upside down one, so that's kind of a bummer. But let's put the earbuds itself and let's just charge it up for a while. And they have a small display indicator up here. I can't pick it up on camera that much, but it does show left and right earbuds are charging and the percentage of the case, which is a really neat feature. And yeah, for a hardware level, this is a really promising earbuds to check it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect on my phone. I want to check, hear some few musics and few songs and a few podcasts. I want to give my thoughts on this earbuds itself. So I'm going to pair it into my Bluetooth, yeah, and it's already paired in because I've been using these earbuds for quite a while right now. Let me just screen record real quick. So this is another great feature about these earbuds. When the case is closed, this charging will be activated to the earbuds, so it will start charging the earbuds. When you at the moment then you pop up the earbuds itself, it will start charging and it will try to connect on my phone. So as I told you, without even taking out the earbuds from the case, it's already connected to the phone, which is a really nice feature. And the fit and feel, quite good. And the medium-sized ear tips are a perfect fit for me, and I do gonna test out some of the smaller and the bigger size of the ear tip itself. Usually these kinds of in-ear earphones, in-ear headphone earbuds, you guys do need this kind of variety of earbud selection of the foam silicone itself. Now I'm gonna use the smaller ear tips itself. It looks really weird, not a good feel. It's really small and it's not as grippy as the medium size itself. And now I'm going to use the extra chunky ones, the thick boys with 2 C's. It may take me some time, and well, it looks like a mushroom. It really looks like a mushroom. So I'm going to chunk it in and large size. It's good, but when you take the earphones out of your ear, it does have a slight pain. So for me, medium size are the great size. So I'm just gonna pop in the medium size. This dark song rave, link in the description down below. I think they'll copyright strike, but I won't be playing the audio itself on this video. Really nice. It's on full volume actually, so on full volume it sounds like a theater. The surround sound, not the surround sound, but the stereo sounds are really spot on. On medium volume, it's not as loud as you guys think it would be, but it's good enough loud. I can't hear the fan noise, or I can hear my tapping my fingers on it. On a low volume, yeah, I can start to hear the surround sounds, the surrounding sounds like my PC and my fan itself. But on full volume, the bass is spot on. On music, this thing is quite phenomenal, especially on high volume. On high volume, you guys can't hear anything, like the fan noises, the tapping sounds on my fingers, and the PC sound. I can't hear nothing on high volume, and especially the bass. The bass is really spot on. And yeah, I'm gonna test it out, the in-ear tap-in features, like one tap on your right earbud, play and pause. Double tap will skip tracks. Oh wait, on double tap it will increase the volume on your right earbuds. Triple tap will obviously skip to the next video itself. And on the left earbuds, single tap, same meaning. On double tap it will increase the volume. On triple tap it will skip to the track before that you guys were playing on it. And on long press on both earbuds, it will launch the Google Assistant itself. So overall this thing earbuds is really basic, especially the skipping track features should be available on every single earbuds itself, because the Xiaomi AirDots that I've been using for a year right now, they don't have the skipping track features on the inbuilt button itself, which is kind of annoying. It's kind of annoying. So for in music standpoint, this thing is really good. Now let's test some videos or podcasts itself. I'm gonna launch of tech with Nikthesh. By the way, make sure guys are subscribed to the channel, because I'll be uploading some frequent videos itself. So, oh well, I did 61 videos. Sweet. So yeah. It's gonna take some time, so yeah, let's be patient. It's taking a lot of time. By the looks of it, it sounds spot on as my Sulu ST1003 headphones, which is already a good sounding headphone. And yeah, there's not a lot of complaint into this earbud. There are some disadvantage of this earbud. In order to save battery, when they have low frequency of volume, this earbud just completely shut down itself and re-on back when they have high frequency volume, which is a kind of annoying feature for this earbud, because this thing sounds really good on low volume. This thing just can't keep up. It just tries to save battery on low volume, but on high volume, man, this thing is another league. And you guys should consider this earbud itself. It's only cost 50 ringgit, and the case feels really premium. And I got to say, I'm a really big fan of this case, especially this quite a minimalist Lenovo sign up here. But it's a big case. I can't argue with that. It's a big case, but for the battery life, you can't go wrong with it, especially for 50 ringgit. So yeah, if you guys need some kind of good sounding earbuds, try to consider this Lenovo LP12 itself. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what if you thought of it guys. If you're new to this channel guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later, and hope you guys enjoy.